I am Dr. S. Ammu, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Commerce, St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Cuddalore. Today we discuss about practical auditing under the head of Audit Report and the power of investigators in auditing. Audit Report. An audit report is a formal document prepared by an auditor after examining a company financial statement and the records. It provides an independent assessment of any financial health and compliance of the organization. The typical content of an audit report include as follows. The content of an audit report. First one is title. Clearly state that it is an audit. It is an independent auditor's report. Identify the organization being audited. Second one is address. Specify who the report is addressed to, that is shareholders, board of directors, regulatories, etc. Then third one is introduction. So opinion paragraph. State that an audit was conducted on the financial statement. Specify that financial period covered in audit. Fourth one is management responsibilities. Explain that management is responsible for preparing financial statement according to applicable accounting standard. Mentions responsibilities for internal control to prevent fraud and errors. Fifth one is auditor's responsibility. State that an auditor's role is to provide an independent opinion. Describe the auditor's standard followed, that is international standard on auditing. Sixth one is basis of opinion. Explain the audit procedures followed. Mention that an audit provide a reasonable assurance that financial statements are free from material misstatement. Seventh one is auditor's opinion. The auditor's conclusion on whether the financial statement present a true and fair view. Types of opinions. Unqualified clean opinion. If financial statements are fairly presented. Qualified opinion. There are some issues but financial statements are mostly accurate. Adverse opinion. Financial statements are materially misstated. Disclaimer of opinion. Auditor was unable to form an opinion. Eighth one, other reporting responsibilities. If applicable, mention the additional legal or regulatory reporting requirements. Ninth one, auditor's signature and details. Name of the auditing firm and auditor, date of the audit report, auditor's registration number and professional affiliation. 10th one, place of issue, the city or country whether the audit report was issued. Next one is the power of investigators in auditing. Power of investigators in auditing. The audit investigators have a significant authority when conducting financial investigation, particularly in case of fraud, mismanagement or irregularities complaints. Their power vary depending on whether they work for government agencies, internal audit department or external audit firm. First one is the government and regulatory audit investigators. These investigators work for agencies such as Controller of Audit General, Supreme Audit Institution for public sector audit, tax authorities for tax compliance, Security and Exchange Commission, Financial Conduct Authority, etc. For financial marketing investigation powers. First one is access to financial reports. Can demand companies record tax filing and financial statement. Second one is investigative interviews. Can question executives, accountant and employees. Search and seizure. In some cases can obtain court order to access bank records and digital data. Fourth one is enforcement actions. Can impose fine, penalties or recommending legal actions. Fifth one is forensic accounting and fraud deductions. can conduct detailed financial analysis to detect fraud. Second one is internal audit investigators. These investigators work within the company to detect fraud, ensure the compliance, and assess financial risk. Powers. Access to internal records can review financial reports, contacts, and email communications per company's policies. Second one is employee interviews can question staff about the financial irregularities. Reporting to senior management and board can present finding to company's leadership for action. Fourth one is recommending disciplinary actions can suggest employee termination or policy exchange. Third one, external audit investigators. Say independent auditor. These investigators work for firm conducting independent audit of companies. Powers. Right to access client financial statement. Company must provide requested documents. Compliance verification. Ensure the financial reports follow standard of accounting policies. Audit opinion can issue reports on financial health and compliance. No direct legal authority. They report finding but cannot enforce penalties. Thank you.